Damn, Scotty, that's a good looking oil pan.
It came out really good.
Lots of sanding because there's like 14 layers of
Schmegma.
shit all over it. Now you're getting
this one's just as bad. I mean, hold on. Wait, don't go anywhere. Hold on.
I'm not going anywhere. You want me to wait this long? Love you long time?
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, multiple colors of the rainbow. Actually not. It's multiple shades of blue. Oh my.
You ready?
God.
That's 3 different layers right there on just that small speed.
Let's call that Fordite, because that's basically what it is.
No. Make that 5.
Oh, God. All right, so when the question keeps coming up of why is this taking so long? Why are there people that just paint over dirt and grime and schmutz? Look at this is. I don't know how many shades of blue this is right here.
I've counted 6 total.
There's like 3 here. Look.
There's 6 total in that spot.
Look at this.
It's absolute nightmare.
Yeah. And this is why it takes so long to get things done
I
right.
love the way the oil pan turned out because it's so much better than what it was. But
It's
I would
still not 100% perfect.
it's not.
But it's, you know, it's not possible.
Well, I can get it 100% perfect, but you're talking it's got to be soaked, cleaned, scrubbed, taken back down again to absolute bare metal, which I had to in some spots to get it smooth.
Look at all this.
I mean, it's nuts.
I mean, I guess let's just get it as nice as we can and shoot it, but then, you know, that's
Yeah,
the
but
problem.
I don't want crap quality.
Well,
because-
that's because everybody has gotten nothing but crap quality, and then they're like, why is it so much? Why does it take so long? It's because we're trying to give you not crap quality. And, well, it's hard when the standard is crap, and the crap is cheaper, but not that much cheaper.
Oh, God. I mean, there's even, you can see the paint
Just paint
on
where
the
there's not
mating
supposed to be
surface
paint.
for the carburetor.
That's supposed to be bare metal, ladies and gentlemen.
Yep.
And this still has silicone schmutz in it,
Yep.
a little bit.
I'm hoping, please.
I have a stud remover in the truck we can use.
Nah, I can wire brush and sandpaper it.
No,
I've
no,
got
we'll pull them
3
out.
separate
We're gonna
layers
pull
of.
them out. We're gonna pull them out. We're gonna do it right. We're gonna pull it out. Scotty, we're gonna pull out, which I know you're against, but you know.
In general, yeah. I mean,
Okay.
unless they're not making a, you know, if there's no mess,
Oh.
there's no fuss.
Anyway, so this is how and why things take forever, Tim, because they need to be done properly. Like, look at this. Look at all the schmutz inside here, even.
Yeah.
Oh, that's just. Ugh. Oh, that's fun. Yeah, it's just yucky.
Yeah.
All right. Good job, Scotty.